Hello student, welcome to history class. From last videos, we starting the lesson number 9, the Maratha War of Independence. In that videos, we completed some points. Now let us start our next point, siege of Jinji. Once Raigad was captured, Zulfikar Khan laid siege to Jinji fort. The Marathas defended the fort for nearly 8 years. Rajaram Maharaj escaped from Jinji and returned to Maharashtra. The Marathas defended the fort bravely for nearly 8 years. The Mughal force engaged in the siege were fiercely attacked from outside by Santaji and Dhanaji. Rajaram Maharaj escaped through the siege and returned to Maharashtra. They attacked Mughals territories of Khandesh, Warad, Baglan. He motivated many Marathas warriors to protect the Swaraj. After the short illness, Rajaram Maharaj died at the Siahgad on 2nd March 70. Rajaram Maharaj was thoughtful and kind-hearted. He brought together all the capable people in the Maratha Empire. He united them, creative and new enthusiasm amongst them. After the death of Sambhaji Maharaj, he fought against Aurangzeb for 11 years with a great courage and tenacity. Courage means bravery. Rajaram Maharaj's greatest achievement is that protected Swaraj in those extremely difficult times. While describing Rajaram Maharaj, noted historian Rai Satkar G.S. Sardesai has used the adjective Sthirbuddhi, level-headed. He cannot be described in better words than these. Next point is Maharani Tarabai. Maharani Tarabai, the cannibal wife of Rajaram Maharaj, came forward to lead off the Maratha War independence. Contemporary Mughal historian Khafi Khan described her as the intelligent and knowledgeable woman. She was a very intelligent woman. The Marathas went deep inside the Mughals' territory outside Maharashtra in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Malwa. She fought for 7 years and kept the Maratha kingdom strong. The death of Aurangzeb in 1707, the Ahmednagar marked the end of Maratha War of Independence, wherein they emerged victorious. Student Maharani Tarabai fought 7 years. She kept the Maratha kingdom strong. She took charge of administration single-handedly and encouraged the Sardar to participate in the mission of Swaraj. Maratha Sardar fought against the Mughals up to Sironji, Mansur and Malwa. The death of Aurangzeb in 1707 at Ahmednagar marked the end of Maratha War of Independence, wherein they emerged victorious. They occupied the vacuum in the political arena during the 18th century, described as on the century of Marathas. The Maharani Tarabai kept up the legacy of valor inherited from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Due to the forceful campaigns of the Marathas, Aurangzeb was frustrated. The Mughal Maratha fight continued for 25 years. Here student, still the Mughals could not defeat the Marathas. In these circumstances, in this condition, bad condition, Emperor Aurangzeb died in 1707 CE at the Ahmednagar. The Maratha War of Independence ended with his death. In this way, the Maratha War of Independence ended with his death. This Maratha War for Independence was the fight between the Mughals emperor agreed to expand his empire and the spirit of independence of the Marathas. The Marathas emerged victorious in it. After the death of Aurangzeb, they led others in filling the vacuum in the political arena. They controlled the throne of Delhi, ran the affairs of almost all parts of Hindustan and protected it. Therefore, 18th century is known as the century of Marathas. In this way, we call the 18th century is known as the centuries of Maratha. In the next chapter, we will see the achievements of Marathas in that country. Here student, do you know, while describing Tarabai's great achievement, poet Devdatta, who was the son of Paramanand, the author of Shiv Bharat, says, here some lines, ताराबाई रामराणी भद्रकाली कोपली दिल्ली झाली दीनवाणी दिल्लीशाचे गेले पाणी रामराणी भद्रकाली रणरंगी क्रुद्ध झाली प्रयत्नांची वेळ आली मुघल हो सांभाळा. Beautiful lines in Marathi about the Tarabai's great achievements. Here student, the family tree of the Bhosles.